19th century marked a turning point in the history of medicine. Before this period, remedies were often based on tradition, superstition, or simple trial and error. But as the 1800s unfolded, a wave of scientific discovery swept across Europe and beyond. This era saw the birth of new ideas, new technologies, and most importantly, a new approach to understanding and treating disease. The foundations laid during this time would shape the pharmaceutical industry as we know it today, setting the stage for a revolution in healthcare. The early 1800s, most medicines were prepared by local apothecaries or even at home. These small-scale operations relied on natural ingredients and traditional recipes. However, as scientific knowledge grew, so did the demand for more reliable and effective treatments. This shift led to the emergence of pharmaceutical companies, which began to standardize production and ensure quality. The transformation from apothecary shops to industrial-scale manufacturers was a key development in the 19th century. 19th century was a time of remarkable scientific progress. Chemists and biologists began to unlock the secrets of disease in the human body. Discoveries such as the identification of bacteria and the development of anesthesia revolutionized medical practice. These breakthroughs not only improved patient care, but also inspired new ways to create and test medicines, laying the groundwork for the pharmaceutical industry's future. Chemistry played a central role in the evolution of pharmaceuticals. In the 19th century, chemists isolated and synthesized active compounds from plants and minerals, leading to the creation of purer and more potent drugs. The ability to analyze and reproduce these compounds in the lab marked a major leap forward, making medicines more consistent and effective than ever before. As the century progressed, several companies emerged that would become giants in the pharmaceutical world. Firms like Merck, Bayer, and Pfizer began as small businesses but quickly expanded thanks to their focus on research and innovation. These companies invested in laboratories, hired scientists, and developed new drugs, setting the standard for the industry's future growth. With the growth of the pharmaceutical industry came the need for standards and regulations. Governments and professional organizations began to establish guidelines for drug production, labeling, and safety. This shift helped protect consumers and ensured that medicines were both safe and effective, building public trust in the new industry. Patents became an important tool for pharmaceutical companies in the 19th century. By protecting their inventions, companies could invest in research and development with the assurance that their discoveries would not be copied immediately. This system encouraged innovation and competition, driving the industry forward. 19th century saw the introduction of several groundbreaking drugs. For example, the isolation of morphine from opium provided a powerful painkiller, while the discovery of quinine offered an effective treatment for malaria. These advances saved countless lives and demonstrated the potential of scientific research to transform medicine. One of the most significant medical advances of the 19th century was the development of anesthesia. Before anesthesia, surgery was a terrifying and painful ordeal. With the introduction of ether and chloroform, doctors could perform complex operations safely and humanely, opening new possibilities for medical treatment. The acceptance of germ theory in the late 19th century revolutionized medicine. Scientists like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch proved that microorganisms cause disease, leading to better hygiene, sterilization, and the development of vaccines. This new understanding laid the foundation for modern pharmaceutical research and public health. As pharmaceutical companies grew, so did the network of pharmacies and distribution channels. Medicines became more widely available, reaching people in cities and rural areas alike. This expansion helped improve public health and made effective treatments accessible to more people than ever before. The 19th century also saw the rise of formal education and training for pharmacists and chemists. Universities and professional schools began offering specialized programs, raising the standards of practice and ensuring that those who made and dispensed medicines were highly qualified. With the growth of the pharmaceutical industry came new ways to reach the public. Companies began advertising their products in newspapers and magazines, raising awareness about new treatments and building brand recognition. This era marked the beginning of modern pharmaceutical marketing. Despite its many advances, the 19th century pharmaceutical industry faced challenges. Some medicines were ineffective or even dangerous, and there were debates about ethics, pricing, and access. These issues prompted calls for greater oversight and helped shape the regulations that govern the industry today. Innovations and changes of the 19th century set the stage for the modern pharmaceutical industry. The focus on science, quality, and public health continues to drive progress today. As we look back, it's clear that this era was a time of transformation, laying the foundation for the medicines and treatments that improve lives around the world.